Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel Hit, Hack, Idea and Trick for speedy hit number 26. I'm sure lot many of you can relate to this. Cleaning an oven is a task in itself. No matter what all tricks you apply, these greasy stains won't go easily. Unlike others, we also tried several home methods but did not get much success. We even opted for so many products which is available in the market. But trust me guys, we got similar kind of result. After doing much research, we came across this particular product. This is Mr. Muscle Oven Cleaner and we are trying it for the first time. Hence the end result was quite good enough. That's why I'm sharing this information with you. Link of this product will be provided in the description for your review. This product comes with instructions to use, hence I'm going to use it right now. I can definitely give you the steps what I'm using and what precautions I'm taking while using it. So let's get started with one by one steps. So first of all, this is how my oven looks like and I am going to clean it with the help of Mr. Muscle Oven Cleaner. Please keep in mind that your oven should be cool. It should not be used when oven is hot. I'll just go ahead and remove the tray and grill tray and keep it aside. The tray holders of my oven are inbuilt, so it will be staying there. Before using spray, it's very important that you should have a pair of gloves and a mask for precautions. Even on the product instruction, it is specifically mentioned that you need to wear rubber gloves before using this spray for protection. Now let's start using it. So before you start using it, shake it well and turn the pilot light off and shut down the oven completely. Now start spraying on all the greasy areas. Make sure not to spray on oven trim, pilot light or heating elements. Shake the can during application and hold it upright at all the time. Spray on glass doors as well. Once all the area is covered, close the door and allow it to work for at least 30 minutes. Please take precautions to avoid contact with skin and eye. Beware of splashes and drips. By any chance, if in case you get in contact with such spray or chemical, make sure to wash it immediately. Now let's spray similarly on oven tray and grill tray. Once complete, keep it inside oven and let this also sit for 30 minutes. The time difference between spraying on this tray and spraying on that oven was not much, at least 5 minutes I think. So what I'm going to do is, while cleaning oven, I'll just keep it aside. Once my oven cleaning is done, then only I'm going to clean these trays. After 30 minutes, open it and take help of damp cloth or sponge to wipe it thoroughly. So first of all, this is the look which I'm getting after 30 minutes. I think it has done most of our job without taking much of time. I mean, mostly oven cleaner, that is going to take at least an hour or two to get it clean, and the wait time is little longer as compared to this. Now again, precautions. Wear your gloves and mask even at the time of cleaning, and take precautions to avoid contact with skin and eyes. Beware of splashes and drips. If splashed, then wash immediately with plenty of water. As you can see, I'm using a damp cloth and I am starting to clean from the door glass part first. It makes it easier for me to reach inner side of oven without getting in contact with these chemicals. I'll take out these two trays outside and keep it aside so that once I'm done cleaning this oven, I will be cleaning them up separately. Now I'll start off with the edges of oven. I'll just quickly wipe off everything from the corners. Now instead of cleaning from top to bottom, hence this is little bit complicated, I will clean the bottom first because there is lot of liquid accumulated at the bottom. Once the bottom is clean, I'll quickly wipe off everything from every corner. In my experience, I can definitely say that this has done a wonderful job. For certain stains which are very stubborn, you have to reuse it once again. So hence, in some of the areas I can see that the stains are still there. I'll just try it once again and try to clean it and wipe off with the same cloth. Once whole of the chemicals is been wiped off, we have to make sure that we clean it thoroughly once again with a clean cloth and just with water. Now this is how it looks from inside after cleaning with the help of this oven cleaner. One important thing you have to keep in mind is once it's clean, remember to ventilate oven before using it. Best would be to do it immediately just after cleaning it. For that, you have to keep the door open for a couple of hours. In that way, any smell of this cleaner will go away. Now as you can see in this closer look, there are certain stains which still is there in this oven. So for that I have to repeat the same process again, but I'm too tired now because of this exercise which I have done. I'll take a rest, give it a week, and then I'll retry again. And yes, before I forget, these are the two trays which I have cleaned separately. I completely washed it and it has given the same sort of impact which it gave to the oven. Definitely it is also going to take another coat of cleaning and I think we will be good to go. But still, I'm happy. So this was all about my experience and my journey for cleaning this oven. So I think I have got my product which I have to regularly order and purchase to clean my oven, and I don't have to do any tantrums to get rid of the stains which it is having. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop me in comment. And yes, do not forget to subscribe your channel. I'll be back with something new on Speedy Hit right now on your favorite channel, Hack, Idea and Trick. तब तक के लिए, bye.